and a very warm welcome to Musings of Manu, and this is Manu. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a very beautiful journey of mine. I have graduated from Delhi University, as you all know, but today I was a speaker in a workshop which was on creative writing. It was organized by Rotaract Club of Aurobindo College, and I was there as a speaker. It was an online workshop, but it was a wholesome feeling. I just wanted to share it with you guys that yes, if you work hard, if you focus on one skill, and if you focus on your expertise, you get better at it with time, you build something on that, you will definitely be able to put that skill into use. You can also be able you can also mentor students on that skill. So that's how I mentored so many students, and I'm so happy. I will be sharing a brief of that. So I hope you enjoy watching it, and thank you so much everyone for supporting me and being on this channel. And today when I took this webinar, I realized that how passionate people are about books, about creative writing and getting into this field of writing. And more than 40 people joined, but everyone was so interactive, and they were asking me questions and I was answering them. It was a new experience for me. I was also nervous in the very beginning. I was very nervous. I prepared a PPT for the whole day, but it went very well. And the best part about this webinar was, even I was surprised that two of my mentors, my professors, joined the meeting. और वो सबसे अच्छा मोमेंट था मेरे लिए when I read their comments in the chat box. और मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा ना. I was so happy. I was so happy. I WhatsApped them. I thanked them, and they said that they're always there for me. So it was the best part of the webinar. Even if I would have taken that webinar in an offline mode, I wouldn't get that much happy. But I was so happy when my mentors appeared into the webinar, online webinar. They made time, they spared their time for me. And you know, the luxury of time, if someone is sparing their time for you, if someone is putting their time and energy into something that you are doing, it is the best part. So we must be grateful for that. So it was just a gratitude video to express gratitude and appreciation for them. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you can subscribe to my channel and watch these videos. See you next time. Bye bye.